Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. If a bright sunny day or bad lighting just means a bad headache for you, then you want to check out these amazing sunglasses by Bradell Optics. I like that it came in two different lens colors. There's an amber and a pink. I personally prefer the pink lens. It is like wearing rose-colored glasses, and everything just looks so happy when I'm wearing them. It also really helps tone down the level of any lights. My migraines are sporadic. I never know when I'm going to get one, and I haven't experienced one since I've owned these glasses, so I don't quite know how the auras look while wearing them because I can't plan for that. But I do know it definitely helps relax my eyes when I am wearing them. Now, my daughter is very sensitive to the lights that you would find in a grocery store or other public place. She prefers the amber glasses, which really give everything a yellow tone, and she says to her that is very calming and relaxing. We would often have to leave public places because she would be overwhelmed by the lights, but since she's been wearing these, we haven't had to do that. I also really like the carrying case. It does hold two pairs of sunglasses, but then they each have their own individual bag, so you don't always have to carry both of them with you. I also really like this Wayfarer style. I think it looks great on everybody. Overall, I have been extremely happy with these sunglasses. I'm so glad that I reached out to this company and tried them out, and that's our point of view.